Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I want every single person here, posting 12 different creative posts across 5 different social networks a day, every day. By Gary Vee, in the only marketing strategy you need for 2023. The company and humans in a service business, that outposting competitive set, are picking up market share, by the simple fact of these just too much attention of society on 7 or 10 platforms. Social media marketing has become a crucial aspect of any successful marketing strategy. In the year 2023, social media will continue to be a dominant marketing tool. By leveraging social media platforms, businesses can attract and retain customers, while maintaining a strong online presence. Benefits of social media marketing. There are several benefits of using social media as a marketing tool. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn offer businesses a unique opportunity to connect with their target audience, engage with customers, and build brand recognition. According to a report by Statista, the number of social media users worldwide is projected to grow to 4.41 billion by 2025, from 3.78 billion in 2021. This means that the potential audience for social media marketing is vast and growing. Through social media, businesses can reach their customers, in a cost-effective and efficient manner. Compared to traditional marketing channels such as television, print, and radio, social media marketing is relatively inexpensive. Moreover, social media advertising is highly targeted, allowing businesses to get their message in front of the right people at the right time. Another benefit of social media marketing is that it enables businesses to create and distribute content that is tailored to their target audience. By creating valuable and engaging content, businesses can establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry, build brand loyalty, and attract new customers. To maximize their online presence, businesses should consider the emerging trends in social media marketing, such as the use of AR and VR, and the rise of micro-influencers. With the right strategy and approach, social media marketing can help businesses achieve their marketing goals, and succeed in a competitive online environment. If you want to learn more and know how to dominate social media marketing, to consistently get qualified leads for your business, click on the link below. Subscribe to the channel to help me make more content like this. Don't forget to like the video, and share your thoughts by writing a comment. Thanks for watching.